Of today, get us some sunshine in the
Yeah,
midst of all
well,
of this.
today may be the end of the rain that we'll see before the sunshine gets here, but I promise the week is actually getting better. So
That's good
I think
news.
it's better to start a Monday off on a little bit of a dicey note and then see improvements this week, especially if that means good weather for your weekend, which I can promise. Let me go ahead and break it down for you hour by hour. Mid-morning temps staying in the mid to upper 60s. We're in the low 70s by 9 a.m. You'll actually notice some patchy fog as you're heading out this morning, so make sure to add in just a couple extra minutes for that morning commute. Visibility can be pretty limited in some locations. Those clouds are going to remain the main feature of the sky through around 10, 11 a.m. And then after about 11, 12 o'clock, we could start to see some isolated storms pop back up. So umbrella is a good idea to carry with you today, and just be prepared for a strong storm every once in a while. Severe weather threats fairly low today, but I am watching because the storms will be moving in during the heat of the day, which can add one of those ingredients for instability. As for this morning, it's warm outside. Dew points are in the lower 60s. Another ingredient for instability when you have higher dew points. Not only does that mean fog when that air temperature and that dew point are very close together, but moisture kind of feeds these storms. It's like fuel to these storms. So in the afternoon, when you have warm air and you have moisture-rich air, that could also help to propel some of these thunderstorms. Currently looking at temperatures as you kick off your Monday. Across the board, low to mid 60s with the exception of Coleman. They're at 59, 61 in T-Town, 66 in Aliceville right now. No rain to speak of this morning, although with the fog, that can often create some patches of heavy mist or light drizzle. So you could have to use those windshield wipers from time to time, but the heaviest rainfall still back to our west and southwest. What I'm tracking is the storms rolling out of Texas and Louisiana. These will continue tracking across South Mississippi and into Alabama, and then lighter rain and storms up towards Little Rock and into Memphis. I think most of the storms in Arkansas and West Tennessee will continue tracking northward towards Nashville, skirting just to the north of our viewing area. But as the air mass again is very saturated, be prepared for some showers and storms. Let me break it down on your futurecast. Between now and about 10 a.m., I don't think we'll see much in terms of wet weather, but right around 10 o'clock, look at Hamilton, starting to see some showers and storms there, and then some very spotty rain showers from about 2 o'clock to 5 o'clock. Then thunderstorms, again, can't rule out a rumble of thunder today. And some of these could provide some gusty winds, some moments of very heavy rain, and some intense lightning. Even though you'll notice the coverage is not all that impressive in any one community, if that thunderstorm hits, it could dampen the spirits for just a moment. But you'll notice through tomorrow morning, things will really start to fizzle. The sky begins clearing out for our Tuesday, and sunshine is back in full supply as we greet our Wednesday morning. We are looking at improving forecast, and look at this. Surprisingly, temperatures cooler. We could actually be in the upper 60s on Thursday morning, with those morning lows falling back into the 40s by Thursday, Friday, and Saturday mornings. And that is a look at your Storm Track 7-day forecast.